Specialty coffee appliance, lightweight and portable, easy to store. Multifunctional electronic scale. 1. Press tare. 2. Place the glass cup. 3. Press tare again. 4. Pour the desired amount of coffee beans. 5. Adjust the grind size using the 6 available settings. 6. Manually grind the coffee beans. 7. Place the filter paper. 8. Pour in the coffee grounds. 9. Press the timer button, then press the start button. 10. Slowly add hot water. 11. According to your needs, press the timer button again, then press the start button.